Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store currency in Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin panel on your desktop or preferred device. Locate Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen, then click on it. This action will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your online shop, setting the stage for your currency update. Taking this initial step correctly ensures you are on the right path to modify your store's financial presentation. Once you are in the Settings menu, find and click on Store Details. This particular section is where all the core information about your business resides, including its legal name and contact information. Carefully scroll down the page, past several other settings, until you precisely locate the store currency area. This is the exact spot where you will make your necessary adjustments for financial transactions. Now, within the store currency section, you will see a drop-down menu that displays your current currency. Click on this menu to reveal a comprehensive list of all the different currencies available for your Shopify store. Carefully browse through the options, then simply select the currency that best suits your business needs, such as British pounds or Canadian dollars. This crucial step directly impacts how customers view your product prices. Once you have chosen your preferred new currency, it is absolutely essential to click the Save button located typically at the top or bottom of the page. This action finalizes your selection, applying the change across your entire store immediately. After saving, take a moment to visit your storefront and confirm that all product prices and shipping rates now display accurately in your newly chosen currency. Ensuring this step is vital for seamless customer experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.